Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You're about to watch the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest way possible. No complicated lessons, no stress. Just listen carefully and watch the video multiple times to improve your understanding and learning. Today, we are going to explore one of the most famous symbols of American history, the Liberty Bell. But why does it have a crack? This bell, located in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, is more than just an old relic. It represents freedom, independence, and the fight for equality. However, its most recognizable feature is the long crack that runs through it. Let's find out how it got there. The Liberty Bell was originally ordered in 1751 by the Pennsylvania Provincial Assembly to mark the 50th anniversary of Pennsylvania's Constitution. It was cast in London and shipped to America, but when it arrived in Philadelphia, something unexpected happened. The bell cracked the very first time it was rung. To fix it, local metalworkers John Pass and John Stowe melted it down and recast it, which is why their names are engraved on the bell. Over the years, the Liberty Bell was used to mark important events, such as the reading of the Declaration of Independence on July 8, 1776. It became a powerful symbol of the American Revolution and was rung on many occasions to bring people together. But what about the famous crack? Historians believe that in the early 1800s, the bell developed a small fracture due to repeated use. In 1846, it was rung to celebrate George Washington's birthday, and that was when the crack expanded, making the bell unusable. To prevent further damage, a method called stop drilling was used. This is why the crack has a visible gap. Today, the Liberty Bell is on display at the Liberty Bell Center in Philadelphia, where millions of visitors come every year to see this powerful symbol of American history. Although it no longer rings, its message of freedom still echoes through time. Congratulations on making it to the end of this video. Now you know why the Liberty Bell has a crack and the history behind this iconic American symbol. Don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you won't miss the feedback video, which is essential for reinforcing what you've learned and improving your mastery of English and American culture. Give this video a like and share it with your friends to help us grow and continue creating high-quality content for you. See you in the next video.